Now we've reached.
Now we unloaded it, yeah. That's a pretty quiet compressor if you ask me, yeah? Timed out.